In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WIX strips in the updated version of the Wix website editor. WIX strips are an excellent way to enhance your website's layout, providing an organized structure and a visually appealing design. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website editor. If you have an account and a site already set up, log in and select the site you want to edit. The Wix editor is a powerful tool that allows you to make changes to your website in real time, and this is where we'll be doing all our work today. Once you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a plus sign labeled Add or Add Elements. Click on this to open a menu full of different options that you can add to your site. This is your toolbox for creating compelling content. From the menu, look for and click on the option labeled Strip. Strips are horizontal sections you can add to your site to cleanly separate different sections. They're perfect for creating impactful designs as they can contain multimedia elements like text, images, and videos. After selecting Strip, you'll be met with a variety of design options. Scroll through and choose a strip design that aligns with the aesthetic of your site or the message you wish to convey. This choice is crucial as it sets the tone for the information displayed within this section. Now, click on the strip you've added to your site to modify its background. You will find an option labeled Change Background. Clicking this lets you customize the look of your strip even further by selecting from colors, images, or even video backgrounds, helping you craft an engaging atmosphere fitting your content or brand. Next, explore the Layout option. This is where you get to tweak the arrangement of elements within the strip. Play around with these settings to find a layout that best accommodates your needs or your customer's journey on the page. A good layout not only enhances visual appeal, but also ensures ease of navigation for visitors. Following layout customization, click on the Design option. This section is your go-to for personalizing the style of your strip. Change themes, adjust the opacity, and choose different design settings that complement the overall vibe of your site. Don't forget to preview how these changes look with the rest of your page to maintain consistency. Lastly, there's the Highlight option. This feature allows you to draw attention to specific parts of your strip by emphasizing them. Use this tool to promote key aspects of your content, ensuring your audience knows what to focus on. Remember, a well-placed highlight can guide users effectively towards important information or call to action areas. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to using WIX strips in the updated editor. With these steps, you're well on your way to designing a beautiful and functional website. Be sure to save your progress regularly and preview as you go to see your wonderful changes live. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.